Did you know that you can create stunning sketches using just 3 colors? Sound crazy, right? Well, stick around because today we're diving into the amazing world of limited color palettes. In today's exciting video, I will show you how can you sketch with using only 3 colors. So I guess this video is perfect for beginners, and I will show you how to make vibrant artwork with minimal resources. I'll show you techniques for shading, highlighting, and creating depth. So if you're looking for simplify your art process or challenge yourself creativity, this video is perfect starting point. So grab your sketchbook and pens and join me and have fun. Alright, let's get into the fun part. Techniques for sketching with only 3 colors. You won't believe how amazing our sketch can look with just 3 colors, and I am going to show you now. I'll show you technique for shading, highlighting, and creating depth, and all while sticking to our 3-color palette. Alright, so let's talk about sketching with a limited color palette. This concept might seem a bit intimidating at first, but trust me, it can actually be super beneficial, especially for beginners. So by focusing on just 3 colors, you can simplify your process, learn color theory better, and unleash your creativity without feeling overwhelmed. So let's jump right into. Okay, today I decided to start from the shadows as opposed to the outlines. Let's see how it works for us. I use the lightest one so it's not too dark because we still have dark. We still have to draw with ink our outlines later on, right? So that's why I'm using light at first, very light, and it will indicate me the shades of the building. As usually, we are drawing the shapes, but we already had our shadows, so it will also help us to find the right places of details, right? Now I feel that that gray wasn't dark enough for some places, and I'm going to add some more darkness. Now here's the thing. Many people think that to create beautiful artwork, you need a whole rainbow of colors or at your disposal. I mean, it's easy to feel like you're missing out if you don't have every shade under the sun, right? That happened with me many, many times too. So, what if I told you that you can create stunning sketches with just three colors? That's right, just three colors, maybe even two. We are going to break this myth today and show you how amazing art can be with simplified palette. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can create shadows, highlights, and all sorts of depth by layering these three colors. Remember, it's all about building up your artwork slowly. Now, are you ready for the moment we've been waiting for? Check out this final piece I created using just three colors we talk about: green, pink, and our gray. How do you like it? Just look at how the colors interact. You can see the depth and vibrancy. So I hope you liked today's experiment, and I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried sketching with a limited palette? What was your experience like? Drop your thoughts and any questions in the comments below, please. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to check out my other sketching tutorials for more tips and tricks. Happy sketching, everyone! Bye bye!